So as I told you, I have studied Java from my 9th class to 12th class. So I was good at syntax plus logic. But when I came to my first year, I also worked with C. So when I started my second year, I went to some coding platforms. I went to HackerEarth, and then I went to HackerEarth and then HackerRank. So if I tell you like which one is better, so if you are starting and learning, then HackerRank is better because they have curated courses on particular topics and particular languages. Okay, and like become a 4-star programmer at HackerRank, right? And when you think that you are quite good in programming, then shift towards better coding platforms like Codeforces and CodeChef. They are a bit tough. Like, do not start with them, otherwise you will get demotivated. Plus, one more important thing with competitive programmers in competitive programming is the consistency.